The Ecological Restoration Institute has a long history of partnering with the Forest Service to tackle one of the biggest challenges in forest health, and that's increasing the pace and scale of restoration. Together, we've worked to make forest operations more efficient because every acre we treat matters. From improving operational strategies to growing and training a skilled workforce, this collaboration is about more than opening roads or harvesting timber. It's about building capacity, creating opportunity, and restoring resilience to our forests. The Logging and Roads Institute is a great example of a partnership driving innovation and action for healthier forests.
And so we create a partnership between Forest Service and Northern Arizona University to work together to help Forest Service professionals to build the strong background and the knowledge on the forest engineering and the timber harvesting. I work closely with our Forest Service partners to train Forest Service employees in timber harvesting and forest engineering. We came up with this kind of a program because the Forest Service realized that there are not many employees who have very adequate professional background and skill sets in timber harvesting and forest engineering, which would help them to better prepare for the fuel reduction thinning, forest restoration, and many other forest management activities on national forest.
It brings together Forest Service professionals from all across the country, all different types of regions. They come here to the Coconino National Forest to really get some local experience, but a lot of it's to learn new skills about forest operations and specifically road maintenance. They get to spend the whole week together collaborating, learning about different things from each other, from their different regions, their different successes and challenges. And then all that collaboration kind of comes together at the end of the week in a really cool presentation that they do on a road management program to help design and implement Forest Service timber sales or stewardship or service contracts on national forest lands.
At NAU, we provide classrooms, handle all the logistics from food to the field trip arrangements, and participate and directly in delivering the training programs as well.
And they really stress cross collaboration so that when timber sales and different types of things are being planned, all of those folks can actually get together and communicate with each other. There's two main goals to it. It's to have a safe sale so that specifically like roads are safe for loggers to drive on when hauling saw logs, but then also the big focus is on protecting the resource. So that's actually protecting the national forest land, making sure that there's very little impact as possible on the roads and on the landscape.